So traders, we back at it today, and on today's video I'll be sharing to you guys possible directions for the coming 2 days, and I'll be showing you guys what happened from the past 2 days, which is Monday and Tuesday, and showing you guys what might possibly happen, which is for Thursday and Friday, which is our midweek forex outlooks. Right, you can simply click that link, like the link, and save the link, and turn on the notification bell on that link, so every time we drop a video you can be one of the first traders to view it, and so you can get all the gems and all the knowledge that you need so you can capitalize independently as a trader. But before we start the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video. Trade is the best broker that I trade with and highly recommend. If you're looking to buy an affordable profit challenge, you can still do that by simply clicking that link on my description. If you're looking for an in-person mentorship course, Circle of Traders has an exciting and exclusive 2-day in-person mentorship course, teaching you guys every day from your life, from your technicals, your fundamentals, your support, your resistance, your patterns, your candlesticks, your time frames, and breaking in details, your risk management, your psychology, and stuff like that. If you're interested, check my number, check my Instagram link, or comment down below that you're interested, and let us do the rest from there. But without further ado, let me share to you guys what we might possibly be looking for based on what possibly happened. Right, so on Monday, market open on our weekly trading outlook. You can go check it out if you haven't watched it. We left a simple indication that based on where price is, we might wait for confirmation, and confirmation was based on us. Sorry. And confirmation was okay. Sorry about this. It's still loading. Sorry. Come on. So our confirmation was based on us having to understand that from price coming back to resistance, are we gonna have a violation to look for those moves to the upside, or is price gonna fail to violate so we can look for those moves to the downside? So simply, you can clearly see that price gave us a violation to the upside, and obviously violating to the upside, we had an indication that there's a high possibility that price will continue, and price continued moving bullish. So if I have to mark out this for our high, all we're gonna be looking for the coming 2 days will be very simple. If price will give us a continuation of a break above this current high, then we're simply gonna look for those moves to the upside. But if price will give us a fail to break, then I guess we're gonna look for those moves to the downside. But understand the nature and the approach. Price is bullish, and our structure is looking bullish, and our behavior is looking bullish. In order for us to look for continuations to the upside, we need to at least violate our current high. But if price fails to violate, then I guess we'll still have to wait for confirmation to see what is gonna happen from there before we be 10 and be bullish and be bearish. Do you guys get that? So there will be our take on Nasdaq. Another pair will be gold. So gold will be very simple. Based on price having a range, price has obviously support, has resistance, and price has support, right? And obviously basing it like that, you can simply tell that price is holding a range. And we did share that on our weekly outlook, that if price will give us a fail to violate our support on market close, then I guess we're gonna look for that move to the upside. But if price gives us a violation, we might look for that move to the downside. So price gave us a fail to violate, and price gave us bullish momentum, and we had that move to the upside. So understanding that price gave us a move to the upside, and price tempted to break above our resistance with a breakout and a break below, the only thing that we're now going to be focusing on for the coming 2 days will be very simple. If price will stay below our resistance, then we're going to look for those intraday moves to the downside. But if price will give us a violation, then I guess we might look for those moves to the upside, violating our current highs. Do you guys get that? So gold is still holding a range, and with price holding a range, there's 2 takes that we're waiting on. One, if price fails to break below, if price fails to break above our resistance, we might look for that move to the downside. But if price will give us a violation, then I guess we might look for those moves to the upside. Do you guys get that? So last but not least, we're having USD CAD. So USD CAD we did share on our weekly trading outlook that obviously where price closed on Friday, I think it was somewhere right there, the price closed bearish, and obviously with price closing bearish, there's two takes that we're waiting on. If price stays below, we might look for those moves to the downside, but if price breaks above, then we might look for those moves to the upside, right? So you can simply tell that we marked out this current low, and we marked out our current low. Okay, this low and our current low, we both marked them out in an anticipation of a possible double bottom, right? So with that being said, there's only two takes that we're going to be focusing on. If price will give us a fail to violate this very same double bottom, then I guess we might look for the reversal to the upside. But if price will give us a violation of this resistance, of this double bottom, then I guess we might look for the continuation to the downside. You guys get that? Because USD CAD, there's nothing else that we might focus on. We can simply tell that our structure is bearish, our behavior is bearish, our dollar pair is bearish, and our Canadian dollar pair is bullish. And obviously, with that being said, the dollar has been weak and the Canadian dollar has been strong. That's why price has been selling so much. But now we see a possible double bottom, and with a possible double bottom, there's two takes that we need to confirm. If price will give us a violation of the double bottom, then price didn't confirm a pattern, we might look for the move to the downside. But if price gives us a fail to violate a double bottom, then I guess we're gonna look for those moves to the upside. Do you guys get that? So this will be what we'll be looking on. This will be what we'll be putting our money to work on, simply waiting for confirmation. Break above, fail to break, break below, fail to break. That's all that we're going to be focusing on for the coming week. But without further ado, thanks for the love, thanks for the support, and thanks for everything that you guys have been doing. That's your boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next video.